Welcome to Techie Creators. In this video you will learn how to create new table from an existing table. This is same as copy of an existing table. The new table gets same column definitions. If we create new table using an existing table, then the new table will be filled with existing value from the old table. This is not only copy the structure and column definitions but copy the data also. Let's see practically. Let me fetch the data from the old table, that is student. You can see there are 6 rows in the old table. Let me create a new table from this old table. Create table, new table name, as select star from existing table name, that is student. You can see table created. Let me fetch the data from the new table. You can see there are 6 rows that was present in the existing table. Let me create another table. Create table, new table name, as select. I am selecting only specific column here. From existing table semicolon. You can see table created. Let me fetch the data from the new table. You can see only ID, name and address column are there because I have created new table only with the 3 columns. So only 3 columns have copied from the existing table. Let me create another table. Create table, new table name, as. In this I am using the where clause. Select star from student where address is equal to Ambala. Only those rows will be copied whose address is Ambala. Table created. Let me fetch the data from this table. You can see only 3 rows have copied now because I have created a table with the where clause condition. That is how you can create a new table from an existing table. Thanks for watching.